Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If there's one thing that you guys should know about me, it is that I am obsessed with all things skincare. So today we're gonna dive into my skincare routine and go over my ride or die absolute favorite products that I can't live without. Most of these I've even repurchased. And this bag is pretty big. I don't want to overload you guys with products, so I told myself I was gonna pull out my absolute favorite products that I always have to have in my routine. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go in the order that I do my skincare, so we're gonna start off with the best face cleanser, makeup remover, oil-based cleanser that will give you the cleanest skin without drying out your face. This is the La Roche-Posay Gentle Foaming Cleansing Oil, and if you are a lover of that feeling of having fresh, clean skin, especially after you've been wearing makeup all day, but you don't want to have to aggressively rub at your face, 1 to 2 pumps of this plus just a little bit of water, I will take that and massage it into my skin, and I am telling you, the makeup melts right off. But what separates this cleanser versus other cleansing balms and cleansing oils is that this does not leave a residue on my skin, nor does it dry out my skin. I will still go in with a hydrating serum and a hydrating cream after using this, especially if I'm going to bed, but my skin doesn't feel parched and dry, and it doesn't feel like it's gonna crack off after using this. My skin still feels like skin. It never feels stripped after taking off my makeup with this cleanser. That's why I use this almost every single day. Now let's move into toners, and I have 2 to share with you. The first is a spray toner that I use every morning and every night before I use any other skincare. I just shake this up before applying it to the face because it has that oil-based and water-based separation, but once you do, you're going to get the benefits of the hyaluronic acid and squalene in here. It is so hydrating, and I'm telling you, within a week of starting to use this product, I noticed that my skin was glowier, plumper, and more hydrated. And it's just so easy to spray this all over your face before going in with serums. I'm in love with this. Now, when I tell you my skin is its glowiest when I'm exfoliating it regularly, I truly mean that, and that is why this little Paula's Choice exfoliating toner is my go-to. This is not the BHA version that you've seen everybody use. This is the AHA version with mandelic and lactic acid, and I like this one a little bit better. I'm really just gonna gently exfoliate the skin to help get a more even texture and fight dullness. But because this is a chemical exfoliant, I am careful that I don't want to overuse this. I don't want to compromise my skin barrier, so I use it every other day or every second day just so that I get the glowiness without ruining my skin. But I am telling you, this will give you the glowiest skin. I noticed results within 2 to 3 uses of this, and it has not left my routine since. I cannot wait to share this next product with you because it is currently my holy grail hydrating product. And although the pharmacy honey milk is marketed as a hydrating essence, I use this as a hydrating serum packed with ceramides, so it's really going to hydrate the skin and help strengthen the skin barrier. And when you have a strong skin barrier, you have less redness. So I like to put 4 to 5 drops of this on my skin after I've sprayed that toner mist, just to add extra hydration, extra glow, and I am obsessed with the dewy, glowy appearance that this leaves my skin with. I use this every single day, morning and night. It is truly a staple in my routine because this is my 3rd bottle. If I'm halfway through my 3rd bottle, I think it's safe to say that I love this. Now, if you want the most delightful glowy skin, what I want you guys to do is to layer that hydrating essence with this Merit Great Skin Serum. Now, I was hesitant to try this because it's marketed as an instant glow serum, and I just didn't think that a product could give you an instant glow, but this is something that I adore to add into my morning skincare routine with or without makeup. But I was very impressed with this because it has a lightweight, almost oily consistency, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy. The product just melts into the skin and leaves behind this beautiful dewy luminosity, and just eats up the hyaluronic acid and niacinamide in here, and this will just plump up the skin and give you so much hydration and leave you with this juicy, luminous, clean girl glow. I'm so obsessed with this serum. I literally bought a replacement last week so that when this runs out, I'll always have her on hand. Now, if you're looking to get into an anti-aging serum but you have sensitive skin, I would definitely recommend you try this Dr. Jart Rejuvenation Serum. This is a firming bakuchiol serum, so it's not a retinol serum. I have tried retinol serums before, and they're usually okay for the first couple times I try them, and then they tend to irritate my skin. My skin gets dry, I break out a little bit. Every time I use this bakuchiol serum, my skin just looks firmer and plumper. It might be because this also contains peptides and glycerin, which are going to help to hydrate and plump the skin, but the bakuchiol is just a little bit more gentle and friendly for my sensitive skin girls. So if you want to try a retinol but you're afraid it's a little too harsh, definitely reach for this. I am a hydrating peptide moisturizer lover kind of girl. Like, I want my skin to be dewy and plump, and I find that I'm gonna get most of that from a really good moisturizer. So you will not catch me without having the Dew Instant Angel Moisturizer in my routine, specifically my morning routine. Although this little moisturizer has a nice lightweight consistency, it is packed with lipids, so it's really gonna hydrate the skin, strengthen and protect your skin barrier, leave you with a beautiful luminous glow. This formula is lightweight, it melts into my skin, it doesn't peel off, it wears beautifully under makeup, and I am absolutely in love with this moisturizer. Now, one moisturizer that I will continue to use in my nighttime routine over and over again is this Sowasu Overnight Vitalizing Mask. And for my girls that want a bright complexion, this has vitamin C in it, and I am telling you, the first time I used this, my skin was brighter, softer, plumper. Like, I have never had a skincare product work in one use until I tried this beauty right here. This is ultra hydrating. Like, if I have any bit of dryness on my skin, it is going away within one use of this moisturizer. But don't be afraid, because it doesn't feel heavy, it's not uncomfortable to sleep in, it actually feels lightweight after you rub it into the skin. I'm telling you, I always wake up with the most amazing, glowy, beautiful skin. Like, redness is gone and my skin just looks luminous, dewy, bright, glowy, beautiful. I love this moisturizer. And with that, I think we are finished with this little skincare roundup. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.